Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types, and right now let's discuss a little bit about the input restrictions inside our input type. We can use input restriction. Here is a list of some common input restrictions. Checked attribute, check value, and check attribute. Disable value and disable attribute. Max max length, main pattern, read only, require, size, step, and value attribute. So all this we can use it for restriction also, but I'm going to show you more tricks about it in the future, but you will learn more about it in our restrictions chapter in the next chapter. The checked right here specify that an input field should be pre-selected when the page loads for type checkbox or type radio. Disable specify that an input field should be disabled. Max specify that maximum value for an input field. Max length specify the maximum number of characters for an input field. I've told you guys before that we are going to control it. The main specifies the minimum value for an input field. The pattern specifies a regular expression to check the input value against. Read-only specifies that an input field is read-only, cannot be changed. Required specifies that an input field is required and must be filled out. Size specifies the width in characters of an input field. Step specifies the legal number intervals for an input field. Value specified the default value for an input field. So I'm going to show you all this in our next chapter, and we will be talking a little bit about it more again. So let's continue in our next tutorial. I'm going to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name. Make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. Bye bye.